My name is Dominique Griffon. I'm a professor in small animal surgery, clinician scientist, and Associate Dean for Research at Western University of Health Sciences, College of Veterinary Medicine. I'm very honored to be the program director for our Veterinary Summer Research Program, which is designed to train future veterinary scientists, inspire our students to remain engaged in the discovery of knowledge, to improve animal and human health and welfare. During that program, our students spend most of their time engaged in hands-on research with faculty in our college as well as other colleges, working in a variety of settings, whether it is a traditional laboratory, the clinical setting, or even in field research. This experience is supplemented by group training session designed to expose students to training and career opportunities in research, expose them to cutting-edge research, and instill them a sense of belonging to an interconnected scientific community. Our students also, at the end of the program, participate in the dissemination of their results and share their experience with other mentors and peers by presenting a poster at a national veterinary symposium, as well as our campus community. There are three aspects that make our program truly unique. The first one is we're part of an interprofessional campus with 8 colleges, all focusing on health sciences. This unique environment provides us with opportunities to engage mentors from other colleges as well as presenters for our seminars, and therefore broaden the breadth of research that our students are exposed to. The second aspect is that we offer both part-time and full-time research opportunities during the summer for those students who would like to supplement their research experience with another type of experience, such as clinical experience. We also offer opportunities throughout the academic year for students to supplement their research and perhaps collect additional data. Last, our students are truly unique. They're unique in their diverse background, experience, and interest, but they all share a strong motivation to learn and a strong intellectual curiosity. I hope you will consider joining us as a mentor, presenter, or perhaps even a scholar.